Come on here. Come on now. Huh?
There's no children.
Do you think it will?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. Check.
Maybe no class today. Why no children?
Maybe there is.
So guys, first time mag-snow this year. November pa lang. Medyo early yata ang snow.
I think so long.
Huh?
I think so long.
I think it will get heavy. How you can play outside this during break time? Nina, yan na, napuno na Nina.
Yeah.
Look. Okay, cover yourself. Oh no, look, it's wet. Don't worry. Let me see. Let me see. Come here, let me see your face. Palakas ng palakas yan, ah. Natutuwa si Nine. First time ulit makakita ng snow. Huh? Grabe lamig. Huh? Come on, quick. Anyway, it's still early, I think. So yun guys. Sanaya and me are enjoying snow in the morning. Early in the morning. Basa na yata ang ating ano. Grabe. Hirap pumasok sa pagkaganito ang mga bata. Hirap sa pagdadrive nito mamaya. Yan, no? Huh? I don't know. Let me see the gate. The gate is already open. Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh.
There's more.
It's already open in the gate. No, Nina. Nababasa yung ating camera. Oh. Tingnan natin sa field. Ayan, ha? Nina!
Yeah.
Look here. Alright, come on, go. Tingnan natin. Do you have tissue?
No, I don't.
We forgot the tissue. Na ano yung camera, oh. Na ano na ng snow. So yun guys, mahirap pagka ganito talaga. Sobrang lamig. Come on, Nine. So yun guys, baka malate na si Nine. Okay. Hello! Classmate ni Shania. Parang wala pang mga bata, ah. Okay, come here, Nine, this side. Yung guys, baka malate kami. Thank you for watching Snowing in the UK. Bye-bye.